Hi, my name is Elizabeth Miller, and I am currently, and I have in previous jobs as well, encountered people and worked with people who were diagnosed with a mental health condition. Currently, I work for a children's mobile response program, so I'm working with children, but I'm also working with their parents, and often they do have professional diagnosis already before I start working with them, and sometimes get diagnosed while I'm working with them. Um, I personally do not diagnose any of the clients or youth or families that I am working with, but I can make recommendations for certain evaluations or talk to the licensed or clinical therapist or doctor that the youth is working with them and just kind of collaborate and let them know um, what I kind of am seeing and go from there. But I never specifically diagnose any of the youth that I'm working with. Um, so I'm very excited for this class because I work with so many different people who do have a diagnosis, that learning the DSM better and kind of being more aware of how the youth that I'm working with are being diagnosed, and kind of just things to help me in my career and within my whole career of social work. So I'm very excited to learn more in this class and better help those that I'm serving. Thank you.